Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, today we are going to discuss the following topic: division by zero in Java program. So let us start with division by zero. Okay. So first of all, this concept is related to numeric data types, arithmetic operation. Numeric data types, arithmetic operation. So basically we have two numeric data types. Okay, so basically we have two numeric data types. First one, integers. Second one, floatings. So under integers we have byte, short, int, long. Coming to floatings, we have float and double. Right. So let us try to understand two cases. So now coming to division by zero, we have two cases. First one, integers by zero. Okay. Second one, floatings by zero. So integer by zero means byte by zero, short by zero, int by zero, long by zero. Floating by zero means float by zero, double by zero. Let us start with first one, integers by zero. So how integers by zero is done in Java program? Okay. So first of all, any integer divided by zero is not defined in Java program. Okay, so when we compile the program, no error is generated. Okay, so no error means no compilation error is generated. Whereas when we run the program, we get exception. We get exception, and that exception is arithmetic exception. And technically this exception is called as runtime error. It is called as runtime error. Okay, so this is what is integer by zero. So for example, 10 by 0 or something like minus 20 by 0. So here we'll get runtime error. Okay, and that runtime error is called as arithmetic exception. Okay, right. So second case goes like this, floatings by zero. So coming to floatings by zero. Okay, right. So this float value when divided by zero, it is defined in Java program. Okay, it is defined in Java program. So what exactly you mean by defined in Java program? So when we compile the program or run the program, we don't get any error. Okay, so no compilation error, and no runtime error. So we will not get compilation error, you will not get runtime error. Then what is the answer? Okay, so example, okay, something like float by 0 or double value by 0. So let us take something like 5.6 divided by 0, then answer will be infinity. It is infinity. Okay, or else you can also take something like 1.5 divided by 0.0. So here also it is infinity. Okay, or if you take something like 10 by 0.0, so what happens means first 10 is converted to floating value 10.0 divided by 0.0. So here also the answer is infinity. So 10 is converted to 10.0. So 10.0 divided by 0.0. So the answer is infinity in both the cases. So let us try to do this with a small program and check for arithmetic exception and infinity cases. So the program goes like this: division by 0, example1.java. So program to perform division by 0. So let us take a new page. First write the comments. So let us take the main class directly. Division by 0, example 1. Right. Main method, public static void main string of args. So let us save this program in our working directory. So save it as division by 0 example1.java. So first we'll take integer case. Okay, int a. We'll take one floating case also, float x. So first integer by 0. So system dot out dot println integer by 0. What happens here? So let us take one more variable, something like int. Okay, so directly we'll do system dot out dot println for this. So print a. So let us say a value is equals to 10. So 10 by 0, a by 0. So let us check what is the problem here. We should get arithmetic exception or runtime exception. So open the command prompt, go to your working directory, javac division by 0 example 1. Compile this and run it. So we are getting integer by 0 message followed by exception. So this is called as runtime error. So during compilation no error, but during runtime execution time we got runtime exception. Technically it is known as runtime error or exception, and the exception name is arithmetic exception, and exception message is division by 0. Okay, right. So this is what is integer by 0. It is not defined. We get arithmetic exception. Right. So let us take the second case. Floating by 0. So let us put a comment for this integer case. So system.out.println floating number by 0. So let us take x is equals to 10, something like 10.5. Okay, so let us perform x by 0. Okay, right, so here we should get the answer as infinity. Right, so save this, recompile. Okay, so 10.5 will take it as f because default data type is double. Compile the program. F is a notation for float value. 10.5 f notation for float value. Run. So the answer is infinity. Okay, right, so you can also take other cases, something like you can also take 0.0 divided by 0.0. In this case also, okay, first we'll take 10.0, okay, divided by 0.0. So in this case also it is infinity. So 2 times infinity. One more case, you can take something like 10 by 0.0. So 0.0 is a floating number or double number. So 10 is automatically converted to double number. So 10.0 divided by 0.0. In this case also we'll get it as infinity. Right. So in Java, integer division by 0 is not defined, whereas floating division by 0 is infinity. So this is how division by 0 is done in Java program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.